In this video, we're going to show you how to use a rescue pack. A rescue pack contains a new LCD, a new controller, a new throttle, and a new 3-to-1 cable. To diagnose our issues, let's start with the old 3-to-1 cable. Disconnect all the connections from the top and the one connection from the bottom. Line up all your colors and line up the arrows to reconnect and make sure you don't damage any of the connection pins. Now reconnect the bottom cable and see if your issue is still there. If your issue isn't fixed, we'll now move on to the controller by disconnecting the bottom cable and the motor cable on the right. Without removing your old controller, let's attach those connection points to our new controller. And now let's undo the back twist connection and reattach your new connector here. Now we can see if our new controller fixes the issue, and if so, we have a dedicated video on how to remove your old controller and attach your new one. Now let's diagnose if your throttle is the issue. Follow your throttle cable down to the connection point and disconnect it from the 3-to-1 cable. Then, take your new throttle and line up your connector's arrows and press it in firmly, making sure you don't damage the connectors. Turn the Liberty Trike on, put it down to 1 for safety, and try your new throttle and see if that fixes your issue. We have a full dedicated video on how you can replace your old throttle with a new one. Now let's determine if your LCD is the issue. Follow your LCD cable down and disconnect it from the 3-to-1 cable. Now attach our new LCD, ensuring that we line up the arrows and color and press firmly. Turn your LCD on and see if your issue persists. If that solves your issue, we have a full video on how to replace your LCD. Now let's diagnose an issue you may be having with your brake assembly. Follow your brake connector down and disconnect it from the 3-to-1 cable. Attach your new brake connector, ensuring that the arrows are lined up, and press firmly. Turn on your LCD and see if your error persists. If so, ensure that your brake lock isn't engaged, and if so, disconnect the brake lock and check to see if that fixes it.